continuation of the topic. Previous class we studied lead compensator, lag compensator. Today we are going to study lag lead compensator. Lag lead because first it will give negative angle, later it will give positive angle. Lagging, leading. Negative means lagging, positive means lead. Lag lead network. So this is the lag lead compensator network. R1 C1 parallel, R2 C2 series. Now V0 of S by Vi of S equal to R2 plus 1 by SC2 by R2 plus 1 by SC2 plus R1 1 by SC1 parallel. R1 1 by SC1 parallel. Simple voltage division formula. So this you simplify, you get this. So in between one or two steps you do it, you get this. Then here R2 C2 common, R1 C1 common, you get this. Denominator S square into something, S into something plus 1. Then if I take common R2 C1, R2 C2 is taken common. So R2 C2, R1 C1 cancel with that. Then numerator these two terms as it is. Then S square plus S into this plus 1 by R1 R2 C1 C2. Further S plus 1 by tau 2, S plus 1 by tau 1 by, this can be, second order can be expressed product of two terms, S plus 1 by beta tau 1, S plus 1 by alpha tau 2. Tau 1 is R1 C1, tau 2 is R2 C2, and alpha beta tau 1 tau 2 is this. But tau 1 tau 2 itself R1 C1 R2 C2 na, so therefore alpha beta must be 1. Alpha beta must be 1. So multiply this, you compare, you get this only. Next pole 0 configuration. First you get a pole 0 0 pole. So first pole is minus 1 by tau 1 beta. Next 0 minus 1 by tau 1. Next 0 minus 1 by tau 2. Next pole is alpha beta 1 means what is 1 by alpha is beta. So minus beta by tau 2, this pole. So they are in this order under this condition. They will be in this order under this condition. So ZC1 PC1, ZC1 by PC1, take this ratio, this by this, will be greater than 1 compulsory. PC2 by ZC2, pole by 0. Here 0 by pole, here pole by 0. This by this greater than 1, this by this greater than 1 because beta greater than 1. When beta is greater than 1, alpha is less than 1. Alpha is less than 1, but alpha beta is 1. Alpha beta is 1 based on this condition. So under this, this will be more than this, this will be more than this, this will be more than this. Here 1 by beta greater than 1. So 1 by beta will be less. So this should be less than this. Next if you compare these two, beta greater than 1. So beta by tau 2 is greater than 1 by tau 2. So this will come after this. Then this will come after this like this. So pole 0 0 pole, this order it will come. And this condition also it will be maintained. These are the equivalents. Now when we draw the Bode plot, after we convert into 1 plus ST form, it constant 1, 0 dB, 0 dB. Then first we get a pole, minus 20 dB per decade. Then 0 added, minus 20 plus 20 become 0 dB. Then another 0 added, plus 20, plus 20. Then another pole added, plus 20 minus 20 become 0. So 0. So it will be like this. This is a band pass or band stop. These band of frequencies, gain is negative, otherwise gain is 1. So it is like a band stop filter. Band stop filter. Then angle plot, beginning negative, later positive. So in the middle it will cross 0 degree. Approximately it will go to plus 45 and minus 45. Within this range angle will change. Within that range angle will change. So this is a gain plot and phase plot. Similar to previous only this step is little bit complicated, carefully. Rest of the calculation similar. And used when both fast response, good static accuracy are desired. When you need both fast response means rise time should be less. Good static accuracy are desired. Low frequency gain is high. Low frequency gain relatively. Lower frequencies gain is high, which improves the steady state error. Then bandwidth is more, rise time is less, fast response. Rise time is less, settling time is less due to phase lead portion. Because of phase lead, these benefits we get. Because of phase lag, damping ratio is more. Damping ratio more due to phase lag, and these are the effects because of phase lead. So these are the points to the lag lead compensator. So network, remember how to get transfer function, express pole zero form, locate, draw the gain phase plot, remember these points. So when they ask individually, you have to do like this. And next class we will do design, how these things are helpful to design a problem. So design a problem means a given problem will give some gain margin, some phase margin. Our requirement will be different. How to achieve our requirement with the help of these compensators. So we will continue next class. Thank you.